Xin chào, welcome back to Cooking with Trang. Today, to change the topic, I'm gonna make a drink. It is the Vietnamese coffee. However, it's not the traditional one with condensed milk, but it is the coconut Vietnamese coffee. So if you've been to Vietnam in the last few years, I would say 4 to 5 years, you might know that coconut coffee started becoming more popular in Vietnam. Since we have coconut here, we have a lot of coffee here, so some people started creating the coconut coffee. So today I would like to try two things. First one, I will make the coconut coffee with canned coconut milk. And the second type is the coconut coffee, but from the fresh coconut milk that I make on my own. Here I already prepared the Vietnamese coffee, blended ice, fresh coconut milk and canned coconut milk. Here the plain fresh milk and condensed milk. So let's get started. First of all, I will use with the fresh coconut milk first. First, I add about 4 spoons of ice, and then 1 spoon coconut milk, 1 tablespoon fresh milk, and then 1 tablespoon condensed milk. And now I blend all of them together. You can see it became like ice cream, like this. Now I move it here. If you like to drink sweeter, you can add more condensed milk, or some people to drink with sugar. The first one I leave here. I continue making the second one with canned coconut milk. However, I need to put this into the fridge now, otherwise it would melt really quickly since it's really hot here at the moment. Now I continue with the second type. It is with the canned coconut milk. I also add 4 spoons of ice, then 1 spoon, this really thick, and then 1 tablespoon fresh milk, 1 tablespoon condensed milk. Now I also blend them together. Okay, and then so now I'm adding coffee into the coconut and milk blended. So make sure when you make coffee, you need to leave it there for cooling off before you make this drink. Otherwise, it will make the ice melt quickly. So with this one, I add coffee first. Then this the canned coconut milk. And this one with the fresh coconut milk earlier. Now I add coffee. Actually, as you can see, they look quite similar. However, the glass from the canned coconut milk might look a bit better because the coconut milk is thicker, so it makes the drink look more exciting. So I hope with my video today it would help you have something else to try for this summer when the weather is too hot and you need something cold like this. Cheers! See you next time!